try to get his phone fixed because it's an iPhone and you know how it goes. Then we have to go to the pet store to get crickets. Either Target or Publix for groceries, which includes food for the tortoise. Not be able to do anything. I think we may have found our place. I don't know if they'll let me film in here or not, but let's see. You guys gotta see this. Oh.
I'll do the whole thing.
Yeah, do it.
This is an iFace case. I like iFace a lot is because of the material that is made of. It's the same type of material as a car tire. It's called cure rubber. This is why it's easier that it bounces. Also, I like our tempered glass, and I say ours a lot. You can go to Walmart, Best Buy, Cricket, Boost Mobile, AT&T, I still prefer ours for two reasons. Reason one, that's tempered glass. And this is the other reason.
Not even a scratch. He actually did that twice. I wasn't filming the first time. If I had that phone, I'd be sold on that. Also, we got a kick out of his shirt.
Awesome.
I wonder if they have my case here. I never find my case. I think that might be my case.
And your phone is?
J3 Galaxy.
J3?
I hate it. It's so hard to find cases for this phone. And this is the one you just beat the hell out of?
Yes, man. That's why I prefer an iFace case.
That's how you get sales.
How you really
None of this, no filming inside.
Yeah.
So, I just bought something I wasn't supposed to buy. Anyone in Kissimmee or Orlando, go to Old Town to this place. These guys are fantastic. My hair just grows that way.
The cow licks you at night.
I have a fin. I should put a little surfing guy right here. Yep, that's me. We got it. It's here. Steel is my favorite thing in the world. It's one of those favorite things that I can't have very often, but now that I know this place is here. Eel is the definition of foodgasm. If you've never had eel before, go have eel. It's better than chicken. That's a promise. And Goku. I'll be back. Also, I got the case. They have cases for my phone. That doesn't happen. Every cast member needs to be issued this shirt at the time of hire. Right? Right. This is awesome. Bench made out of... Why is someone's glasses here? Hi. These were out on the bench.
Oh, were they?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll leave them in case somebody comes back. Thank you.
Leaving there. Kinda cool thing. One day I'll come here with money and do stuff. Vimto.
Florida goop.
What? What?
Swine.
Trump?
Pussy whip.
Pussy whip. Harngabloop.
Abba-zooba.
Zibbity-doo-pop. Pussy pop.
Pussy pop.
Sorry.
She's not
sorry.
She's not. When you use the pussy whip, it makes the pussy pop. Because that's how she rolls.
Pussy roll.
That's right.
Sorry, this vlog is not for children.
No, and it's not for some adults.
Unless we're talking about cats.
Yes. Cats.
Pussy hat.
That's, clam hatting. At work.
Ham walleting.
Dropping some roast beef on the floor. Whatever. Well, that was an adventure.
What?
We outdoored.
We did.
We got our allotted Florida sunlight.
Yeah. Now we are going to the pet whorehouse to get Cricket. Floppity floppy flop. Look at those little foots.